So this week I really didn't have much to talk about. I was busy with a little bit of vacation time and, well, I've been feeling under the weather. So I found something that I started a video on a while ago. I was going to do a cleaning video on how to clean aluminum parts and stuff like that. Well, that was 3 months ago, and I left them inside of this solution, which is the simplest solution when it comes to cleaning that I know of, which is just vinegar and water. And these things were nasty. They had pitting. They're scaled. Like, look at that. Just with my finger, it's cleaning off really nice. Now, with a little bit of, steel wool, all that, and this, like, I find this funny, that there was scale rust sitting on top of this, and I thought, wow, I don't remember that being that rusty. And you can see it's actually taking the aluminum coating off, because this shit will eat through. There it goes. See it? Oh, sorry. See it? Like, it is eating the chrome right off of these because it's so powerful. And I thought, oh shit, that's a lot of rust sitting on top of that. It was the retention clips that actually hold it onto here. So I'm going to have to fix those. Let's see, look at that. That's really awesome how well. Just vinegar and water. I did not scrub these. I did nothing. I just dropped them in there, and now I'm going to really have to clean this one up and try to figure a way how to get this one looking good again. But, oh, yeah, sorry I don't really have a good video for this week. Hopefully we'll make up for it on Friday, but, yeah, just look at that. A little bit of thumb work right there, and just cleaning up really nice. What that is that the vinegar and water is actually pulling the impurities and all the crud and all the built-up grease over years out of these things. And a little bit of Scotch-Brite and a little bit of fine sandpaper, these things are going to shine. Now you're probably thinking, what are these for? Well, my plan is, I'll say it and I'll probably be eating my words later, but those are for the 440 that's on, or the 440 that's in the Chrysler wagon. And I'm wanting to take the Chrysler wagon on Power Tour. So, we'll see how that goes. I'm really pushing for it to happen. But yeah, hopefully I'll have a better video for you by Friday. But this is just a Monday showing you what the power of vinegar and water. And unfortunately, extensive time because I completely forgot these things existed because they kind of blend in with the garage. It's just all one big mess in here. So, they kind of just were tucked right there and completely forgot about them, but yeah. A little bit of Scotch-Brite, a little bit of water. This thing's going to be pretty. I'll do an update video on how well they shine up after I take steel wool to them. So, sorry guys for the short video this week. Happy Monday, and thank you for the 358 subscribers that are part of YouTube. You guys are awesome and fantastic. Thank you for joining us, and I'm sorry about the unfortunate hand cam here, but I'm missing the screw-in piece for the bottom of my camera, so shit happens. Alright. Have a good Monday. So I figured I'd do a little comparison real quick, because unfortunately when I started looking at these, I'm like, I really want to see what they look like cleaned up. So this is what it looks like just after you pull it out of the water and vinegar solution. It's all nasty. It's got all this chalkiness on it. It's got all this black soot from all the stuff being pulled out of the actual porous material. These are cast aluminum valve covers. So this is what they look like, all nasty and gungy and trash. Like, they look horrible. So these, or this one, is just steel wool and a little bit of Ajax taken across it. Except for this part. I got a little ahead of myself and I wanted to see what it looked like. I went ahead and took 1500 grit sandpaper and 2000 grit sandpaper and went across it with a little bit of Ajax to help soften the blow. And these things are shining up pretty well. Hopefully these will look really good on the wagon. Once again, our plan is to put these on the 440 wagon because these are Chrysler big block aluminum valve covers made by Weiland. And hopefully you saw something that you might be able to use to help clean up your old aluminum valve covers instead of trashing them. I'd love to see after a while it looks like a little bit of polish on, but thanks for watching.